Hello everyone, I'm Dora Chavarría, Enterprise Solutions Manager at Mayan Technologies. Today, I will show you how to enable Kinetic for all forms. This will help you especially when you have set under preference Kinetic as a form to use. But for some reason, some forms still open as classic. Please go to System Setup, Security Maintenance, and Menu Maintenance. This menu must be open as Kinetic in order to go to the next steps. Click on the main menu, Menu ID. Please click on the Overflow button and then click Kinetic Options. Tick on both the options Enable New UI and Enable User Override, and click Apply. Hit Save on the Menu Maintenance screen and close it. Please close Epicor and log back in. Let's check the form again, Order Entry, and it should open as Kinetic. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.